Hi, my name is Patrick, and in this video I'm going to share with you 3 mistakes I made in my first year as a graphic designer and how you too can avoid it. I'm also going to share with you a bonus tip of how to get your customers. That is my most effective method. Stay to the very end to know of that bonus tip. Okay, let's dive in. The first mistake that I made has to do with not putting contracts in place when dealing with clients. If I had put contracts in place when dealing with clients that stipulate the number of revisions which is allowed for this project, it would have saved me time, because sometimes you provide a concept, they like it, and they ask for a number of revisions, which is quite problematic because it's kind of consume your time. The second mistake is not taking payment upfront, because when I was starting out, I was reaching out to family and friends, and because of that social belonging, I didn't push to take money first, and they took advantage of that. Sometimes I can work and I'll not get paid. So I'll urge you that you should take at least 50% down payment before you start any graphic design work. The third mistake that I made was not interacting with other graphic designers. I thought that by learning Photoshop and Illustrator, that is it, and working on clients, well, that's it. But until I started to mingle with other designers, asking them of their views concerning various design trends and what's happening in the industry, I was kind of locked with the knowledge that I had. It took me a long time to understand that mockups play a very big role in convincing customers. I thought I downplayed that role. I also like learning other design trends and knowing how much to charge and what to do in certain situations when dealing with customers. All these things I learned by interacting with other designers. I wish that I had done that earlier. The bonus tip of how to get your customers is posting your work on social media. Now, when I mean posting your work, I don't mean you do your finished work and just post it, but recording a video of how you went about doing that design project. I posted the work. I posted such on LinkedIn, and that is where I got my first major foreign customer. So I urge you to try that thing. Record yourself doing the design work and load it to the other social media platforms like Instagram or maybe LinkedIn. For me, LinkedIn work for me. So that is one tip of how I get my customers. Thank you for staying to the end.